Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. It's one of the most popular Roomba models out there, the 560. And so this item is used. It's in great shape. Comes with everything you see here. Also, it comes with a brand new battery. I'm going to reinstall it. So before I ship it out, I'll put in a new battery. So here's the battery. It's brand new. Right now I have a used battery in there just to show you that it's going to work. But it's going to come with a brand new battery installed. Just to let you know. So when you guys get the Roomba, just plug it in for it to charge up before you first use. Alright, so here we got some accessories here. The cleaning tool. 2 brand new filters. 2 virtual wall lighthouses. They're in great shape. A docking station. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Got the charger right here and power adapter. Alright, and the Roomba itself here. So this item is used, but it works great. The gears have been cleaned out and relubed. Everything is double checked and tested out, so it'll be working. Alright. It has a little bit of scratches here, so you can see, just from normal wear. But if you take a look at the pictures, you can see more details there. Right. There's the bumper area. Has been cleaned and disinfected, so you get a nice clean robot. Alright, so you got a side brush, it's in great shape. Front wheel, good shape there. Alright, let's take this out so you guys can see here. So this has the green clean head module, which has a little foam piece next to the motor underneath there, so the hair can't get inside the gears, which is underneath, you can't see. The brushes are in great shape, also have been cleaned out and disinfected. That can be in here, and I'll turn it on for you guys to see it works great. Alright, so the item works great, it's used, and it's up for bid. So happy bidding. Thanks for watching.